What's going on, guys? It's your neighborhood Sparky, and in today's video we're going to talk about the things that you might need to know when you're becoming an electrician. Now, I say the things you might need to know because I don't start electrician school until the 17th, which is next week, and I don't feel fully prepared. So I've been studying things on my own, and these are the things that I'm studying now that's making me feel more prepared. So the number one thing so far that has definitely given me the most solid ground is learning about Ohm's law. Now, Ohm's law refers to voltage, resistance, current, and power, right? Watts, power in watts to be specific. There's something I learned. It's this triangle here. Now, I think things might look a little backwards, but essentially what you have is a triangle with a V standing for volts, an I, which stands for current intensity, that's where the I comes from, and R stands for resistance. If you want to find the volt of something, you just, it looks like you just multiply current by resistance, right? And if you want to find the current of something, you divide voltage by resistance. And if you want to find the resistance of something, you divide voltage by current. Down here we have Ohm's law's circle. This is the universal depiction of it. But if we make things a little, at least simpler for me, it looks something more like this. Again, I believe things are backwards. Maybe I flip the camera and things aren't backwards. But so if you want to find, it looks like if you want to find your power or your watts, you can do it in three different ways. You can do it by timesing your voltage by your current, by multiplying your resistance by your current squared, right? Current squared. Camera's over here, I gotta get used to that. Or you can voltage squared divided by resistance, and all that's gonna give you your power in watts, right? You can also do voltage, find your voltage. There's three ways to find voltage, there's three ways to find resistance, and there's three ways to find your current. This is what I'm studying so far. I started studying it today, and what's helping me is the good old fashioned Cornell notes, right? So it says, what are three ways to find power in watts? And I list the three ways, and I've been testing myself by covering it with a piece of paper, preferably without the answers on it. And if I get it right, I move on to the next one. And this has been the most effective way for me to study. The math involved in this so far is just in basic algebra. It's just variables, plugging in numbers for letters, and following the equation from there. It's so far very simple, but like I said, the hard stuff is to come. I haven't even started school yet, so I just know that this is something that I'm going to need to learn, and wanted to share that with you guys in case there's someone else out there training to be a Sparky but doesn't know where to start. If you're anything like me, you want to be the top of your class, you're going to take everything very seriously, and so school and studying starts before school starts itself. That's going to conclude today's video, but I hope you enjoyed, and it's nighttime here, so get some good night's rest, and if it's daytime, you have a great, wonderful day.